Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado juice safe for pregnant women. Start by selecting ripe avocados and washing hands and tools thoroughly. Use pasteurized milk or fortified plant milk to avoid unpasteurized dairy risks. Blend avocado with milk, a bit of honey if allowed, and a squeeze of citrus for flavor. Strain if desired and chill before serving. Serve small portions and consult your provider for personal guidance. Gather 1 ripe avocado, 1 cup of pasteurized milk or fortified plant milk, a teaspoon of honey if allowed, and a splash of citrus juice. Measure portions to avoid excess calories and keep fiber balanced. You can add a pinch of cinnamon for warmth or a handful of spinach for extra folate. Keep recipes simple to monitor tolerance and enjoy a nutrient-dense sip that supports pregnancy needs with gentle flavors and good fats. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more pregnancy-safe recipes. Quick recommendation. On another note, keep your car smelling great with Little Tree's black ice because a calm commute makes blending and shopping less stressful. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by cutting and scooping the avocado into a clean bowl, discarding the pit and skin. Add 1 cup of pasteurized milk or fortified alternative, a squeeze of citrus, and a small approved sweetener. Blend until silky and check texture, thin with more milk if needed. Optionally strain for a smoother drink. Chill in a sealed container and consume within a day to preserve freshness and safety for pregnancy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.